So here we go. So we've got 1/2 and 1/4. Add, subtract, so 1/2 minus 1/4. Hi, I'm Sarah. I've been a math and science teacher for 20 years. I'm here to make math engaging and fun and not so scary. If you're interested in in-person tutoring, Zoom tutoring, or micro tutoring through Cameo, click the link and do the stuff. All right, so 1/2 minus 1/4. Again, really easy way to just practice fractions is with the dice, because it's not going to be anything too difficult. This would work for, well, you know, with the add, subtract, multiply, divide, it really only works if you want to leave it up to the dice and you haven't gotten into negatives. It can get a little bit dicey. No, it can get a little bit tricky because if you haven't talked about negatives, you're going to have to first have them compare the fractions and then list the larger one first, just so you don't end up with any negatives. Or you can have the students flip a coin for like add or multiply or add or divide and just put it up on the board and things like that. Okay, well, we've got 1/2 minus 1/4. So we're subtracting. So what we're going to do is we are going to crisscross applesauce, okay? Crisscross applesauce is all just multiplying. So we're going to go crisscross applesauce. So the applesauce, 2 times 4, that puts 8 down at the bottom. That is my common denominator. I don't have to write it twice. This is just a shortcut, right? So crisscross applesauce is just a shortcut. I am still changing it to the common denominator. I'm just not writing it all out. So I'm going to multiply 2 times 4. I know that's not always the lowest common denominator, right? Like I could just change the fourths, but we're just going to stick with crisscross applesauce. So we've got 8. So 4 times 1 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. And then my sign or my operator stays the same. So I've got 4 minus 2 over 8. 4 minus 2 is 2 over 8. I can simplify this. They are both divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. It's 1/4. So 1/2 minus 1/4 equals 1/4. Makes sense. 1/2 is 2/4. And if you take away 1/4, you're left with a fourth. That's mathed up.